Hi, welcome to Ask Less. A question has come up in drying a very complex part. Could be an engine block, could be any sort of a special piece that's being manufactured that requires drying in the process. So let's say we have a part, something like this. It's a block of metal, it's got holes in it, it may have recesses or corners in it. How do you dry a part like this? Well, you can actually combine different types of air amplification products to do this. You can use small compressed air amplification nozzles to blow any liquid that's in small holes. If you have larger holes, using nozzles would be very inefficient, use a lot of air. What you could use then is an air jet, which has a wider flow pattern. So you could use that to blow any liquid that's in a larger hole. If you still have even larger holes or sort of recesses and corners, you can use an air amplifier such as this one. This is a 2-inch air amplifier. They come as small as 3/4 inch, as large as 4 inch, and even larger. So if you have any sort of recesses or you've got any sort of a larger hole, you can use the air amplifier to splash out any liquid that's inside. You would not want to use an air knife or something that's flat blowing into a hole because you'll end up actually blowing liquid sort of against the corner. You want to use an annular type of amplifier to blow the liquid out. Once these holes are all clean, you could then use an air knife in sort of a halo format and simply do a final sweep of the entire part as it goes along a smoothing conveyor. So again, small holes and small recesses, you can use air nozzles. If it's a slightly larger hole, you can use air jets or amplifiers and then do a final sweep with air knives. If you have any questions on the use of compressed air for blow-off, cooling, drying, or moving, ask less.